How to hide likes on Facebook. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's head to the video. It's very quick and simple. You open the Facebook app. On the top left you will find the three line options. You click on that. Here you will find an option of setting and privacy. You click on that and click on settings. Once your settings is open, you will find multiple options here, but here you'll find an option of content preferences and reaction preferences. You have to click on reaction preferences. Then you'll find two options. Basically here it says hide number of reactions on other people's post and reels. So basically the likes and reactions, if you want to hide on other people's post, you can turn it on, and if on your own pictures that you have uploaded or videos you have uploaded, you want to hide the amount of likes and reactions, then you turn on your own post and reels. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.